What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Logical Dude, back with another episode of CoinLogic TV, where we are looking logically at crypto assets. So if you don't know what this is, CoinLogic is basically my little crypto home on the internet. So I bring in a lot of research from like different news sources. We got the live market feed that you would get on like CoinGecko. We actually use their API. I have a trending page that I've built, and I keep adding stuff too to give you like a nice quick look at the markets and that kind of thing to see what's going on. This front page shows the CoinLogic index, which is basically all the tokens that I'm involved with, me and my company kind of thing. So you get to see here, I get like a little quick look at just see how my portfolio is doing kind of thing, like the daily price changes and that kind of stuff. Down here below, you can see curated posts from the Hive blockchain. So if you are posting to Leo Finance, Hive Hustlers, we are looking specifically in those two communities. We're looking for TA posts. We're looking for crypto-related news, economic-related news. In your own words, please don't, be an echo chamber of the rest of these news sites, because we do have a news center that brings in news from AMB Crypto, Bitcoin.com, Bitcoin Magazine, and Decrypt.co. So yeah, would love to see some great, articles. We have a lot that we go through and find, and we log and will show up here on this feed. So yeah, we're looking for some good authors out there. So we're looking for tutorial stuff, TA stuff, I love stuff that's good for newbies. So if you're writing like, wallet tutorials and stuff like that, that's kind of stuff we're looking for. So yeah, and then you can scroll on down here and you will be able to see a quick little Bitcoin chart. You got links to Hive Hustlers and Leo Finance where you can find our profiles there. And then the CoinLogic TV, this is linking in from our YouTube channel, currently coming in from my old Logical Dude channel. We just did the final video on that on Wednesday, and now split off, and everything is on CoinLogic TV. We have everything branded out. We have the CoinLogic.online Hive account, which if you go give that a follow, I'll put the link in the description down below, as well as the new Twitter account, CoinLogic Online. You can also find us on Facebook at facebook.com/CoinLogic.online. Again, all links will be in the description below. Basically, we just post everything to Hive and YouTube and then just share everything out from there. So that's kind of the way that I do things. So yeah, come follow for some good TA, because I'm trying to do daily TA posts as well as these videos and stuff as well. So we're going to try to push out as much as possible. The reason I'm splitting up and getting everything off of the Logical Dude channel and doing it onto our own CoinLogic channel is the fact that we got a new sponsor, and that's xdao.app. It is it's a DAO creation platform where you can create a digital autonomous organization through Binance Smart Chain and Polygon currently, but they have version 2 that's coming out that's going to include Ethereum and then all other EVM platforms. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a video next week talking about the current platform and how I've got my first DAO set up and that kind of thing. And then when version 2 comes out, I'm going to be looking to do a Logic DAO where we kind of do like an open thing. So be looking out for some information on that coming in the near future. So yeah, let's jump on over real quick over to the CoinLogic trending page, and we're going to go check out and see what these markets are up to. So our top 10 gainers of the top 100, you can see we've got some big gainers in Harmony and Shiba Inu. Phantom's having a great day at 14%. Ecomi, Filecoin, Yearn Finance, Elrond, Quant, whatever this Dezo token is, and Polygon are rounding out our top 10 gainers of the top 100 today. And then we've got the top 10 losers of the top 100. We've got Chili's, we've got Omisego Network, we got Terra Luna, Bitcoin Gold, Binance Coin, Flow, Leo token, not Leo Finance, but this is the Bitfinex token. We've got Cosmos is down 3.99%. We've got Internet Computer Protocol down, and Tezos is down 3.69%. Those are the top 10 losers of the top 100 currently today. And our current top 10 by market cap is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Tether, Binance Coin, XRP, Solana, Polkadot, USDC, and Dogecoin. We have our top 10 by volume, which is Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu is going crazy. Bitcoin Cash, Binance Dollar, Ethereum Classic, XRP, Litecoin, and Phantom rounding out the top 10 by volume. We scroll on down, you're going to see the Fear and Greed Index from alternative.me is sitting at a 72. So markets are a little greedy right now. So we're getting up into that green greedy area. So start looking for things to, possibly take a rise or a turnaround anytime soon. We're not in the super greedy category yet, or extreme greed is what they call it here. But we're just in that greedy category. It's getting there. We're creeping up into the green. We got our 44.2% Bitcoin dominance right now. So the dominance has risen a bit for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been on a bit more of a rise than some of the altcoins. Although we do see some of those mid to lower caps pumping. So let's go and take a quick look at the charts real fast. And we're going to go see what's going on with Bitcoin before we get into this article from Decrypt News that's kind of disturbing. But I do want to talk about that. But let's talk about some charts real quick. You can see here on our momentum indicators that Bitcoin is starting to round out a bit. Our RSI is up at a 67. It's not technically oversold yet, but we are starting to lose some momentum. Now, because we did pump up real hard back up to around 55, close to 56,000, about 55 and a half. And it, like I said in our last TA post, we're looking possibly for a bit of a recorrection, hopefully down to around this 53 level, this 53,000 level, before then, making a turn up. Now, we could go as low as around 49,005 to stay in this bullish momentum, because what that would do is actually retest this triangle and then bounce up. So, but I'm wanting to stay above that. But one thing that we do have here is, let's get a little trend line going here. We do have now a higher high, which is going to indicate, oh man, I need to really pay for TradingView. So anyway, y'all got to see a couple of ads there. So what I'm looking for here though, is that we've got this higher high going. So what this is starting to lead to a trend change. So we're hoping to look for a higher trend. So even though if it does recorrect and comes back up, being that we've got this higher high, that's showing that the market's wanting to start to turn around a little bit. So we could see this, we could let the momentum cool down a bit and then let it rise up again. So let's go and take a look though real quick at like Ether. So this is actually Ethereum to Bitcoin, and it's struggling hard right now. Ethereum though, this is what's starting to worry me about this, is that we did not actually, we may have gotten a higher high, but just barely. You can see it's basically right at the same levels, and it's already starting to roll over. So you can see where this white line here on the momentum is starting to close up. Well, that's where we're going to start looking for a sell signal, which we've already gotten on Binance Coin. You can see Binance Coin, we had this big indecision doji candle kind of here. We had a couple of more of those, and it's just rounding out here. Now we could be looking just to find some, consolidation and find some support down here around this 410 level before hopefully getting some, regaining some upwards momentum. Because I would love to see this bull market continue, I'd love to keep making money that way. But I try to secure our investments the best way I can with liquidity pairs versus the dollar, and having them in auto compounding contracts. So basically making money either way, up or down, doesn't really matter. The stacks are growing. So, but we definitely have some downward momentum on a lot of these alts. Let's take a look at HIVE real quick, because HIVE had a massive pump up a couple of days ago, shot up all the way up to $1.70, and it's come back down to around, what are we sitting at, 87 cents currently at time of recording. So I was, hoping we were going to settle down here around 90 cents, but we did drop below that, but maybe we'll come back up from here. So that'll be some really good bullish momentum, but we need to let this really super, overbought stuff cool off a little bit. So may need a little cool off before we keep going again, but hey, you got to catch those pumps while you can catch them. So that's pretty much what's going on with the markets. Like I said, Bitcoin has hit the higher high, and we are possibly looking for a retest level, while the rest of the altcoins are kind of struggling right now. Overall, just saying overall, not saying they're all struggling right now, but overall is struggling versus Bitcoin. So it's actually probably better to be a lot in Bitcoin right now. But let's get on over here to decrypts.co, which you can actually find over here on our CoinLogic News Center. We have AMB Crypto, we have Bitcoin.com, we have Bitcoin Magazine, and decrypt.co. Four of my favorite news sources. The rest of them are just kind of echo chambers. But Biden, good old Grandpa Joe, the dictator of the USSA, is planning an executive order to crack down on crypto. Because they're scared, man. They're scared of what we got going on. They're scared of stable coins because we're going to destroy the bond markets. We already basically are destroying the bond markets. And, they're scared of crypto because that gives us the power. And it basically destroys their little monopoly that they have on the monetary system. So a rumored executive order, and let's just highlight that rumored executive order on crypto from the Biden White House, is just one part of a larger effort by the U.S. government to get its arms around the sector. So in a brief, a few details have emerged about the rumored executive order. A report suggests that the order would instruct various agencies to study crypto and issue recommendations. So basically what it is, the White House is in the course of preparing an executive order directed at cryptocurrency, according to several unnamed sources cited by Bloomberg. The report described the potential order as part of the Biden's administration to attempt to set up a government-wide approach to regulating the sector. The Bloomberg report suggested that the focus of any order would be on directing federal agencies to conduct research and produce recommendations. So basically, Biden really doesn't have any control over creations of laws. That's around Congress. But he can direct all these organizations like the SEC, the IRS, and all them to make our lives a living hell, just because they want to. So the proposed directive would charge federal agencies to study and offer recommendations on relevant areas of crypto, touching on financial regulation, economic innovation, and national security, said the people who asked not to be named, discussing plans that are still under consideration. So this is still rumored and still in a planning consideration, but you've got whistleblowers that are coming out right now about all kind of stuff. So, there's some really nasty stuff going on right now, so you just got to keep your head on a swivel. And really watch out what they're doing, Basically, just be in crypto, getting your money out of the dollar as quickly as possible, finding, appreciating assets. Me, personally, right now, I'm currently 100% in crypto, except for just like bill money. But the rest of it is all 100% in crypto, and I am not ashamed about that. And very happy with it, and my portfolio has been doing quite nice. Built it from nothing over the last 3 years, and really happy with my results. But yeah, they're basically trying to get the Treasury Department involved, different financial regulators like the Commerce Department, and then even the National Science Foundation and different national security agencies are trying to get involved in this, or he's trying to get them involved in it. So that's basically what they got planned out going on right now. If you want to continue to read this article, I'm going to put the link down in the description below. But again, it's just a rumor right now. But who knows what this, crazy crack house of a White House. It's a clown show, I can't seriously take them seriously at this point anymore. So, but anyway, don't take that word from me, though, because I'm just a dude living in a van talking about crypto on the internet. So, be that as it may. I love you guys. Stay safe out there. Keep your money safe. Keep your money growing. Let your money work for you. Hopefully, we can get some DAO action going soon that we can just all invest together. Because dudes that invest together, and dudettes, because women are dudes too, It's all in your mindset and your philosophy. So But yeah, maybe we can all just start investing together, you know, and win this battle together, guys. So anyway, that's it for me today. You guys have a great one. Have a good weekend. Be cool, be real, always abide. And I'm excited to come back Monday with a video talking about our new sponsor, which is xdao.app. And we're going to get into digging into these DAOs a bit. So we'll see you on Monday. Have a good one. Peace.